Welcome student, this is Chandan Singh Negi. Students, in previous sessions we have discussed about the roots and value of polynomials, and today we will discuss the remainder theorem. Let's discuss the remainder theorem. First, let's check it. If we divide like this is 17 divided by 5, then it is 3, 5 3s are 15, and that is 2. That is called remainder. First, in this case, we have divided, that is 17 divided by 5. We can divide it further, and 17 is called, this is dividend, and 5 is called divisor or divisor, and 3 is called quotient, and 2 is called remainder, right? So that means the 17 can be written as like this one, the 5 into 3, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 5 3 is a 15 plus 2 70, this is called 17. Now like that, these are the one number is divided by another number. If the variables are divided by, that means one polynomial is divided by another polynomial, so how to divide this one? That's example. Now this is divide px is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by another, this is polynomial, that is x minus 1. Then how to divide this one? This is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. Now first let's check, this x is positive and here the 3x square is positive. So what should I write on the quotient so that if I divide it, it will be equivalent to 3x square. Let this is a. If I divide a on quotient, then a into x must be 3x square. Then a is equal to 3x square upon x. X is cancel out 3x. So what should I write here? I can write here, this is 3x. That means 3x into x, 3x square. Write this one and multiply 3x to, first we have to eliminate this higher order variable, the first term, which is the highest order, that is degree of this polynomial is 2, and then multiply 3x into minus 1, this is minus 3x. Now this is, that is plus, we now subtract this one, this is minus is plus, this is cancel out, 3x plus 2x, we will consider this plus sign, not this minus, that is 5x plus 1. Now what should I write here? That is here plus, there is plus, and here I have to write this plus. This is plus 5, so the 5 into x, 5x into plus into minus minus, 5 into 1, 5. Now that is plus minus plus, this is cancel out, now 6. Here dividend is 3x square plus 2x plus 1, quotient is 3x plus 5, and this is divisor is x minus 1, and remainder is 6. So that is, this implies that 3x square plus 2x plus 1 can be written as this x minus 1 into what, 3x plus 5 plus 6, that is this one. Here let this is px, and the divisor is gx, and let this quotient is qx, and remainder is rx. Basically that is called remainder theorem. And any polynomial is divided by another polynomial, and there is a real number a, then remainder will be PA. If any polynomial Px divide by Gx and quotient is Qx and remainder is Rx, then if that means if Px is divided by let this is x plus a or any number you can write this is, then what will be the remainder? If you put the remainder PA value PA in terms in Px is here, then if you put the x is equal to a, if I divide this is x minus a, then whatever will be there on the right hand side, this is called remainder, right? This is called remainder. And in this case the degree of dividend must be greater than or equal to divisor. Here see, the degree of divisor is 1 and the degree of remainder, that is constant polynomial, is 0. The degree of constant polynomial is 0, and then check it here, we cannot further divide it because the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor, right? We cannot further divide it. Students, that is the remainder theorem. If the remainder is 0, then the divisor is called factor of Px of dividend. That means the Gx is factor of Px, right? Thank you, students. The next sessions we will discuss more problems on remainder theorems. Thank you.